Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is integrations, iverson bracket. So this integral calculus omega equals to minus infinity to infinity cos rx gamma p plus x gamma q minus x dx can be written as real values because e to the power I rx real value is cos rx. Okay, cos rx is e to the power I rx real values. So that I and multiply gamma p plus q minus 1, so it is p plus q minus 2 factorial and e to the power I rx p plus x minus 1 factorial q plus x minus 1 factorial. So friends, I hope you can understand this calculation and dx. Next calculation is this formula can be written as binomial coefficient. So I just write it as a binomial coefficient. What is binomial coefficient? ncr is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. I use this property in here. P plus q minus 2 is ncr, r factorial is p plus x minus 1 factorial r factorial, and p plus q minus 2 and minus p plus minus x plus 1. Okay, so I get, okay, sorry, in here q minus x, this is minus. Okay, this is minus q minus x, this is not q plus x minus 1 factorial, this q minus x minus 1 factorial. I have written wrong in here. Okay, because q minus x in this way, because p plus x minus 1, this is a q minus x. Okay, in here you see q, this is a minus, and in here I have written wrong, it is plus, not it is minus. Okay, so I hope you can understand that my typing mistake, and i I have already told this is minus, so I think you don't have any problem for this kind of error. Okay, so involving residue theorem, 1 by 2 pi I 1 plus z whole to the power n z to the power k plus 1 dz is equal to n comma k, and where z equals to e to the power I phi, and gamma p plus q minus 1 equal to minus pi to pi minus infinity to infinity. And when I am putting z equals to e to the power I phi, then I get this value will be changed. 2 pi I should be 2 pi. Okay, and I will be cancelled, and I get the value e to the power I phi, and this value I get. Okay, and 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 minus infinity to infinity d phi divided by 2 pi and e to the power r minus phi dx d phi, and this is the minus pi to pi. And we know that this is the Dirac delta function. Okay, Dirac delta function I used in here, so I used, and I get this value, and I get in I portion bracket formula. Okay, I portion bracket that del phi r minus r, I get I portion bracket formula, because I apply the property of Dirac, because phi minus r, so phi will be discard, phi will be phi, we replace r instead of phi, so it is r, so I get in here I, and this is a phi will be r by the property of Dirac, and it will be hold when mod of r less than pi, and this is the Iverson bracket. Iverson bracket that generalize the Kronecker delta. It is generally denoted by putting the statements inside the square brackets, and Iverson bracket is equals to 1 if p is true and 0 otherwise. And I get this value real value, and real, when I get real value, then I just write it, take common e to the power I r by 2, and this portion is 2 cos r by 2 and p plus q minus 2 and cos r p minus q divided by 2. So because r is the real values. Okay, so I hope it is clear for everyone, and I proved this. Thanks for watching, friends. If any confusion, if any doubt, please comment me, I will help. you. No problem.